So my name's Anthony Myers. We're here in our showroom today, going to be talking about plumbing, fixtures, and showers. So it's a big subject as far as whenever we're kind of going through and talking to you about your needs in a shower. A lot of time, there's a couple standards that we do. We always do a wand. That's going to be on a diverter valve and your normal shower head. Basically, a lot of the time the wand helps you clean the shower. It helps it kind of make more functionality whenever it comes to kind of dogs. We have a lot of clients that utilize that to wash their dogs, little children and stuff. It definitely kind of makes those kind of like task a little bit easier to do, as well as cleaning your shower. I mean, that's the biggest thing. Whenever it comes to cleaning your shower, it's a little bit challenging once you have a typical shower head. So that wand kind of helps you get kind of those corners, kind of get that water scum off your shower glass that is a little bit hard to clean. Whenever it comes to that, we'll also go through and talk to you about the different options. We do a lot of body sprays. We'll go through and kind of talk through how to position those body sprays, kind of how many do you do, what part of the shower do you put those in, and our design team really gets to know kind of how you're going to utilize your shower and kind of incorporate some of those functionalities into your shower. Another thing that we do quite a bit is rain showers. As we kind of start to go through that, rain showers are typically what we say aren't for like your functional shower. We always kind of use an example of trying to get shampoo out of your hair. It's more gravity rather than a pressure-fed shower head. So anytime that we do a rain head in the shower and design that functionality in your shower, we're going to do a standard shower head. And that way it makes your day-to-day life a lot easier. Typically, whenever it goes into body sprays, we'll do them in groups of 3. We'll use what we call a diverter valve. Basically, the diverter valve controls what functionality it does. A lot of the time, we like to do like a 3-way diverter valve or a 6-way diverter valve. That way you can power 1, 2, or 3 cycles through your shower and kind of help make it a lot easier whenever it comes to utilizing individual components in your shower. One of the things that we've been doing quite a bit in showers are electronic shower valves. Kohler makes a great electronic shower valves. It's compatible with Alexa. So you can say, Alexa, turn on my shower to X temperature, and that Kohler talks to Alexa and it turns on your shower. Those electronic shower valves, there's kind of limitations, and there's also kind of a lot of good kind of functions out of that. You can have multiple controllers. You can also independently control your shower functions whenever it comes to designing your shower. So our design team, whenever it comes to those kind of more detailed shower components, we'll go through and get to know kind of your needs, and that way we can properly design a shower that fits you.